Hello to my viewers. My maths presentation today is about natural logarithm. This natural logarithm is under the differential calculus. This maths is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and engineering students. So I have here y is equals to x cubed times circle brackets 3 ln x minus 1. Now the question is find the first derivative or find the dy over dx. Since this is product rule because this is multiplication, so I need to perform the product rule. So this will be dy over dx is equal to copy the first term x cubed and then differentiate the second. So this will be, this is also product rule, so this will be 3 differentiate ln x, so this will be 1 over x. Then plus, copy the second ln x, derivative of 3 or a constant, that will be 0. Then minus, derivative of a constant is 0. Then plus, copy this one, 3 ln x minus 1, derivative of 3 x cubed. So derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Okay, so this will be x cubed. Then this will be 3 over x. Then this will be 0. Then 0. So plus, so I need to write first this one, 3x squared. Then circle brackets 3 ln x minus 1. So this will be crossed out. So this will be x squared times 3 plus 3x squared times circle brackets 3 ln x minus 1. Then multiply, so this will be 3x squared plus 3x squared. Then times 3 ln x minus 1. Since I don't have space anymore, so I need to erase at the top. So common is 3x squared. And then this will be 1. This will be plus circle brackets 3 ln x minus 1. And then simplify. So this will be 3x squared. Then this will be 1. Distribute. So this will be 3 ln x. Then minus 1. So this will be 3x squared. 1 will be crossed out. So I have now 3 ln x. So the final answer, I need to multiply this one, 3 times 3. So this will be 9x squared ln x. So this is now my final answer. Dy over dx is equals to 9x squared ln x. That's all.